Do you know how to use the phrasal verb get away? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use get away as a phrasal verb and how the meaning changes when we say get away with. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to use get away as a noun. Let's get started. First, let's look at the forms. The simple form is get away. In the past tense, it is got away. Now, pay attention to the past participle. In American English, we usually use gotten away. However, in British English, they typically use got away as the past participle. Since I use American English, you will hear me use gotten away. The first meaning of get away is to take a break or go on vacation. A person who gets away takes a break from work or daily stress. You might say, I need to get away. This means I need to take a break from my job or occupation. Here is a piece of advice you can give a friend who is stressed. It's good to get away. If you want to ask a question using this phrasal verb, you can ask, where do you go to get away? To answer, you don't even need to repeat the phrasal verb. You can just list the place. I go to the ocean to get away. I go to the mountains. However, in the modern world, it is sometimes difficult to relax. It's hard to get away. With cell phones and the internet, for a person to get away is very difficult these days. More examples. We decided to get away for the weekend. She just wants to get away from the city noise. The second meaning of get away is to escape. If you're running from the police, you can say, he's getting away. This is the present continuous tense. It means the same thing as he's escaping. We also use this a lot with animals. Imagine you are fishing, but you lose the fish. You can say, the fish that I caught got away. Or simply, it got away. To make a question in the past tense, use the helping verb did. Did it get away? Did the thief get away? More examples. The dog got away from the yard. Be careful, don't let the balloon get away. Now, let's look at what happens when we add a preposition. When you add with, the meaning changes completely. To get away with something means to avoid responsibility or punishment for a bad action. For example, in the past tense, she got away with shoplifting. This means she stole something, but nobody caught her or she wasn't punished. You might also hear the phrase, she got away with murder. If you see someone doing something bad right now, you can say, they are getting away with bad behavior. And if you want to warn someone not to do something bad, you can use the negative. You'll never get away with it. More examples. He got away with cheating on the test. I was late for work, but I got away with it because the boss was late too. Finally, let's look at how to use this as a noun. When we use it as a noun, we usually write it as one word. Get away. Compare these two sentences. They made a plan to get away. Here it is a verb action. They made a getaway. Here it is a noun, a thing. When a person makes a getaway, they are making an escape. We often use this as an adjective in a noun phrase. For example, they used a getaway car. In this sentence, getaway describes the type of car used to escape. More examples. This island is a perfect romantic getaway. The bank robbers made a clean getaway. So, whether you need to get away to the beach or you hope the fish doesn't get away, now you know how to use these words correctly. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. See you next time.